For many, nonprofit donor management starts with spreadsheets, but as organizations grow, spreadsheets quickly become inefficient. In this video, we'll explore how donor management software transforms fundraising, retention, and long-term nonprofit growth. Spreadsheets may work at beginning, but as donor data grows, they turn into a maze of duplicate records, errors, and missed fundraising opportunities. Manual spreadsheets leads to data errors, time-consuming updates, limited insights, and collaboration challenges. These issues directly impact donor trust and fundraising success. Donor management software replaces scattered spreadsheets with a centralized system, giving nonprofits a clean, organized view of every donor and interaction. With donor management software, nonprofits can segment donors, personalize outreach, and run targeted fundraising campaigns based on real data, not guesswork. Retention is critical. Software tracks donor history, automates follow ups, and enables personalized experiences, helping nonprofits build lasting donor relationships. Fundraising campaigns become easier with centralized planning, real time tracking, and integrated communications without juggling multiple tools. Real time analytics reveal what's working, where donors drop off, and how to improve performance, turning data into smarter fundraising strategies. Zen Donor is designed specifically for nonprofits, offering donor management, fundraising tools, analytics, and communication features without the complexity of high cost of traditional CRMs. Moving from spreadsheets to donor management software empowers nonprofit to raise more funds, retain more donors, and focus on their mission. With Zen Donor, fundraising becomes simpler, smarter, and more impactful.